Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how we made this amazing, huge whiteboard, all DIY for I think we ended up spending like $31 or $32 on it total with a custom little pen holder. All right. It is actually really simple to do, but there was some things that I had to figure out and finesse. So I'm going to show you those finite details because you know me, I like to go into the details and show you the nitty gritty and the not necessarily so perfect. So let's go ahead and check out how this came to fruition. We headed on over to the Home Depot and we got this white panel board. It is on the bottom, so it's a little tricky to find, but it's only like, what, $13.47? Whoop whoop. That's a win. Then you got to get the trim if you want to have a border and have that cleaner look. It's right there as well. I'll put links in below. As you can see, I got my trim. Oh, and I got spray paint. And then this was an 8-foot panel, so I had this nice lady cut it down to 6 feet. They'll do that for free for you. In total, it cost me $29.74, including the spray paint. How fabulous is that? Then I went to the dollar store because I wanted a pen holder. This bad boy, $1, Dollar Tree. Win. Then I taped off the interior so it would stay white because I'm about to use that spray paint because purple is not doing it for me. Oh yes, here it comes. Spray paint it down. Da 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 da. Let's make it look like metal. The spray paint legitimately costs more than the pencil holder itself. I took the suction cup off while painting and then the tape will come off. Then we have to do the border. So getting the border on, you just have to cut it to length, not the big deal, but I'm showing you here that I use some tape to get the specific length instead of having to measure a million times. Worked out a lot easier for me. And then there's also this little notch at the bottom there. So to get it to be flush, you gotta cut just a little bit there like that, and then break that piece off. Okay, it was a lot easier with two hands when I wasn't trying to film myself doing it, and it did break off no problem. I will tell you, you do need some ridiculously sharp scissors because my normal kitchen scissors did not work for this. I had to get these metal ones. And then getting the border on was tricky. So I ended up using a credit card, aka a Dave & Buster's card, to kind of wedge between the border and the actual board itself, and that allowed me the space to get it on there nice and flush. Then we decided to hang it up with command strips because why the heck not? You can see here Gerald's helping me out. What a good man he is. I mean, he gets benefits, so I guess it's, sometimes he gets involved. It's great. Oh, what I'm showing you here is that I used a level so that I knew where to put the board up, and I used painter's tape to mark off just a little bit so we had something to line it up to instead of trying to hold the level and mess around with all of that. And then you could see we knew exactly where it was going to go. And here we are getting it up on the board. The thing with the command strips, I will tell you though, is you have to put them up, press on them, and then take the thing down like that and let it sit down for an hour before you put it back up like we did here. So we'd wait the hour and then we put it back up, and then we took down the painter's tape afterwards to get to, ta-da, your final look. How cool is that? I made this nice big calendar. I used that level again because that came in handy to make those lines. For the calendar, I've got the running to-dos. I've got this fantastic, not purple, super more classy, nice looking. So that's that. It does take two people